Hey guys, what's up? Today, I will share with you, kasi galing ako ng mall. Ngayon lang, as in katatapos ko lang galing mall, and I would like to share with you some of the things I bought. And naka-encounter ako ng bago sa mall. Actually, it's weird, kasi alam ko, itong brand na to, SM brand siya, pero nakita ko siya sa Robinson. Siguro, pumayag ng Robinson na magkaroon ng SM brand sa loob ng Robinsons anyway. And I came across Miniso. Actually, Miniso is a new brand from SM. So, it's a Korean brand. Franchise ni SM papunta dito sa Philippines. So, yun. This is the first time na nakapunta ako ng Miniso at sa Robinsons pa. Weird. Anyway, first time ko makapunta ng Miniso and I bought some things from them. And also, meron mga extra products dito na nabili ko randomly. So, these are just products na nabili ko sa loob ng Robinsons din. So, pero, mainly, ang i-discuss ko or ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung mga nabili ko from Miniso lang. So, and also their prices. And, yeah, let's start. I bought this cup right here. Yan siya. Cute, ah. Ganda, no? Kaya ako ito nagustuhan kasi ang cute niya, eh. This is 249 sa kanila. And, ang ganda ng, actually, ang ganda, gumulo yung buhok ko. Ang ganda ng quality ng cup na to. Hindi siya masakit kasi maganda yung ano niya, lining niya. And then yung stitches niya makapal, ang ganda ng quality. So, yun, binili ko siya doon. Suotin na natin para yay, kapow! At bumili rin ako ng headbands sa kanila. Ito, this will cost you 99 pesos. So, it is composed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of, parang bands na headbands. Bands na headbands. Yung parang rubber lang na bilog. This one I bought also from them. So, pag binuksan nyo to, I think this is 149 pesos from them. Pag binuksan nyo to, para siyang buksan na natin. Pag binuksan nyo to, siya, para siyang module na black yung pwede nyo lalagyan. Parang picture, i-attach nyo pa siya. As in, magulo pa siya. So, sa loob nito, nandun yung parang rings. So, ang ganda nito kasi yung ring na yon detachable siya. So, pwede nyo alisin tapos maglagay kayo ng bago kasi basically these are just, you can absolutely use yung mga hardbound na papers and then i-cut nyo lang ng ganitong sizes to add up dito. Kasi malaki yung ring na to eh. So, pwede nyo nang i-puncture and then i-attach nyo dito. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan kasi dahil sa rason na yun. Sa National Bookstore, nung huling-huli akong bumili ng ganitong type, nasa 300 pesos to 400 pesos, di ba mahal? Pero sa kanila, 149 pesos lang. So, very affordable. If kayo ang tipo ng tao na mahilig mag-compile ng mga memories, pictures, this is a good product to try. Also, dun sa Miniso, guys, you can buy from makeups to pang-organize ng mga gamit, from personal care, anything, bags, meron din doon, underwear, meron din doon, para siyang Daiso at the same time, pero mas marami ang kinikater ng Miniso eh. So, I super love that store kasi marami ka na makukuha at very affordable din yung price. And then, yun lang. And then, I have this Miniso Carve Vases Red Diffuser. Ito siya. As you know, mahilig ako sa roses. So, ang scent nito ay roses. This is only 99 pesos. So, mura na rin. Kapresyo na rin ng pag bumili kayo sa department store. Kasi sa department store, may makikita na kayo or mabibili na kayo na 99 pesos lang yung worth it. So, same as this. This is only 99 pesos. Pero ang cute niya kasi meron siyang flower. Ayan o, flower. And then ito yung diffuser niya that you can put it in here for only 99 pesos. And then, I also have here, I bought some new earphones na 149 lang, guys. And trinay ko to ha. Ang ganda niya hindi siya masakit sa tenga at all. Nung trinay ko to, parang ang quality niya, parang iPhone quality. Kasi I have an iPhone earphones eh. So, parang parehas yung quality ng sounds nila. And, plug yung sounds, hindi siya lumalabas. So, ang ganda nito. Plus, meron siyang lalagyan. Buksan na natin. Meron siyang lalagyan. Kaya gusto ko siya. Ayan, no? Diba usually tayo, pag nagkaroon tayo ng, pag gumagamit tayo ng headset, tapos nilagay natin sa bag, minsan nagka-crumple yung headset natin. Ang maganda dito kasi meron siyang personal na lalagyan. Ayan. So, you can put your headphones in, tapos roll nyo lang, tapos ilagay nyo na sa bag nyo at walang mess at all. And then, I bought also a power bank from them. This is 6,000 milliamperes of usage ng battery. And this cost me 649 pesos. 6,000 na siya. So, sa phone ko, mga dalawang charge na. Dalawang full battery charge na siya. Kung mabibili, may free na siyang cord. Pero, hindi ako satisfied kasi puti yung cord. And nakita ko tong cord na to from Miniso din. Ginamit ko na to kanina ko pa to binuksan. Anyway, so, ato siya. Tapos, bumili ako ng cord for 99 pesos only. Nakakulay niya. So, these are turquoise shade. Di ba? Para partner. Cute lang. Cute lang. Di ba? And then, dalawa na lang from Miniso. And these are makeups. So, this one is an eyebrow pencil that cost me 99 pesos lang. Di ba? Very mura na to. At, this is in natural color which is gray. And brush on the other side. Kasi naghahanap din ako ng naghahanap din ako ng eyebrow. So, I'm gonna try this out. This one is the eyeliner. Actually, marami silang klase ng makeup doon eh. So, na-try ko na to. Ito siya. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya nabubura. Ang ganito kasi, super liit yung tip. As in, this is the tiniest felt tip I have ever seen in my life. So, sobrang thin niya. Ayan siya. Ang ganda niya. And this is only 99 pesos. If you guys wanted to have a Miniso makeup review, comment lang kayo sa comment bars. And I'm gonna, kasi maraming makeup doon na very affordable lang. And let's try it out, including this too. If you wanted to have that, comment kayo sa comment bars or like this video para makabili ako ng iba pang makeup products from them. And let's try it out. Guys, yun lang yung nabili ko sa Miniso. Now, let's continue from Watsons. I will try this Milko Underarm and Foot Deodorant powder right here. Ito siya. So, itatry ko to kasi usually ang ginagamit ko yung Magic Puff. Pero, just to try other things, itatry ko tong Milko na to. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko pero I'm gonna try this out. And I will transfer this. Titingnan ko kasi kung may difference sila. I will transfer this kasi ayoko ng ganitong lalagyan. Itatransfer ko to dun sa aking Magic Puff para mas madaling ang application. Then, I also bought this Olay Skin Whitening Bar with Rose and Milk. Naka-sale siya for only 69 pesos. You will get 3 bars na. And yun. And then, I also have here mga Koji Sun products. These are sunblock products from them. Sachet lang yung ginamit ko. Pero, alam niyo, ang mahal nito. This is 60 pesos isa. 60 pesos for the sunblock for the face. And then, 60 pesos for the body naman. Or sports ang tawag nila. But basically, this is for the body and this is for the face. And this has SPF of 50, PA+++, with anti-UVA and UVB. Ito siya. I'm gonna try it out. I also bought yung kanilang lotion na maliit na to. And I'm gonna try this product and I will have a review very, very soon. After ko siya matry, na-experience and all that, I will have a review on it para ma-check nyo kung magugustuhan nyo rin or hindi. So basically, I bought this. This is 59 parang weird, no? This will cost you 59 pesos and this one is 60 pesos each. So, ang mahal. Alam mo, nagulat nga ako nito, 60 pesos. And naubusan na ako ng Skin Mate ko, ng aking shark oil. And I will try this one. Kasi maraming feedback, guys, na bumabalik sa akin na yung Skin Mate daw na review ko, nagkakaroon sila ng bakbak. Ako, personally, guys, I did have, pero very, very minimal lang. At hindi ganun kalalaki. Meron akong micro-peeling na nangyari sa kanya. Pero, hindi mo siya mapapansin at all. Hindi mo siya mapapansin. Kasi nga, sa gabi ko siya ginagamit. So, kung meron akong micro-peeling sa umaga, yung aking moisturizer, nako-cover niya na. And I also have an oily skin. So, baka ganun, guys, ang nangyari sa inyo. Because you have a drier skin, more peeling ang nangyari sa inyo. Sa akin, hindi. Because I have an oily skin. Plus, I also use a moisturizer in the morning. So, or baka ito yung ginamit nila. I'm not really sure. I will give you feedback very, very soon kung nagkaroon ako ng peeling dito sa to. This one is the original and I'm gonna try it out. Baka ito yung nabili nila. This is 100 pesos from Watsons din. And, special shout out lang. Bumili rin ako ng blouse. Ito siya. Wala lang. And this is 400 pesos from Robinsons. Yun lang yung aking haul for today. I hope you guys enjoy this. And also yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, if you want us to try or review the Miniso makeup brand, comment lang kayo or like this video so we can have that. And also, yeah, yun lang yung aking haul for today. Actually, katatapos lang namin or kararating lang namin from Robinsons. And yeah, as in, eto na yung suot ko. Nagbago lang ako ng konti ng makeup para medyo presentable naman sa inyo. And basically, that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. And also, kung di pa kayo nagsubscribe sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button and be part of my family. And also, for you guys to be notified every time I upload a video. And what else? And kung hindi pa kayo nagpo-follow sa akin sa Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, I'll be linking that in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. And also, and nothing more. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! I'll see you soon, guys!